Hi and welcome. I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. In today's custom order video, I have some beautiful pink to spin up. This is a signature yarn, which is my signature piece with texture and colour. With kid mohair locks, super fine silky merino. I'm going to be plying it with some mohair yarn and some beautiful pink metallic thread. So it will look similar to this yarn. It is to go with it as a set, but it's going to have the kid mohair locks instead. This is also plied with the mohair yarn and the metallic thread. I'm expecting this yarn to take me probably 2 to 3 days to complete. So the first half of the video will be me spinning up the single and core spinning the locks on top of the single. And then second part will be me plying to finishing it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and let's get into it. So I'm doing a double knit. Which is this one, unless she wants a bit thicker to go with the other. I might work on a worsted. She basically wants at least 100 meters per skein of yarn for this project. I got over that for the other one, which is probably more like a super bulky. Probably in between that, which would be an 8 or a 9, which is Iran worsted. Those ones. I want to test it at least 10 centimeters back to make sure it is correct. So at the moment it is plying up as a double ply, which is 8 ply. If I make it thicker from here, I could get it as an worsted. When I start adding the locks, it will make it a bit thicker. I don't want to, I'm going to loosen the tension slightly. So you're pretty much just core spinning the lock straight over the top of the single ply. Now to make sure that I am keeping with the weight, this is an 8 ply. Every now and then I'm going to add locks. So I still get all the beautiful pink fibre come through. Even with the locks, I'm looking at a worsted. So this is going to be a mix of 8 ply and worsted, which is a 10 ply. So I just hold my pointer underneath the single as a guider for the locks to catch and core spin over it evenly. I don't want it to thicken places. It's sort of like glazing over the top of your single. I am going to put on some music and just spin this, and then speed it up, break it up so it's a lot shorter video when I add it to YouTube. Enjoy. And I am finished part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where I will be plying to finish it.